So as you know, we need wrap to do tattoo work. Different types of wraps come and you need to know from where the wraps are used. We use wraps for cleanliness so that there is no infection of any kind. After making tattoo with cleanliness, no person should have any problem later. What happens is that a good impression is made on the clients. That we have maintained the hygiene. Cleanliness is taken full care of. So which wrap is used, where and how it is used, we will learn about it in today's lesson. Let's start. You can have any arm stand, be it a small one like this or a big one like this. To keep it clean, we have to put a clean warp on it. It is a warp, which is made of polyethylene. We apply it because whenever we make a tattoo, be it a big tattoo or any other tattoo, then the position of our hand is like this. We tattooed over here and then over here. Then, while shifting from here to here, our hand movements change like this. What happens while doing this, when we apply ointment or Vaseline while making a tattoo? It is felt all over the place and blood is also coming out. Or if the plasma was flowing, it would also have been affected by it. What will happen if we don't keep it clean? When we tattoo a new client, if already has plasma, blood or ink on it, he can infect other clients. HIV, hepatitis B or hepatitis C. Any kind of infection can happen to them. Any disease can be transferred from one to another. To avoid all these problems, we have to keep cleanliness. That's why we have put a wrap on it. And the main reason for this is also that when we remove the warp from it, the armrest also remains clean. Then when a new client comes, we again apply a new warp. There are two types of wrap. Let me show you. A wrap comes like this. And a wrap comes like this. Some artists use this kind of wrap. It is very thick and it is not a medical grade wrap. This is the one which is given by the welding people or the furniture people, in the new furniture. So that it does not get dirty till going home or displaying it outside the shop. It remains clean and shining. That's why they use this warp, but you don't have to use it. Because it is not cleaned properly, it is not clear. If you look at it properly, it will be seen that it is dirty from inside, it is not completely clean. So we don't have to use this wrap. Now comes the second tattoo wrap. It can be of any company or brand. Does not it matter? Whatever emerges inside will be the same thing. This is such a transparent material. Its transparency is very good and it is very clear. See how clear it is in comparison to that. So you have to put this on the armrest. As I want to apply it, you can apply it in any direction, as you can wrap it. And this wrap gets applied easily and also gets fat easily. So that's how we'll cover it and it's complete. In the same way we will cover the second armrest. It must be changed every time while making a tattoo of a new client. It also has the advantage that your client will be happy to see how much you are taking care of cleanliness, taking care of their health. This makes your client have a positive effect on you. This wrap is used in other places. I can see that too. We have any spray bottle, ink bottle, anything that gets used over and over again. If it touches the hand again and again, then this wrap is applied there as well. As you can see that I have already put a wrap on this ink bottle. When I got the tattoo done last time, I had put a wrap on it. We apply this because when we are making tattoos, cream, blood or anything else keeps on our hands. so that this bottle remains clean and no dirt remains. That's why we wrap it. That's why if you use any product, then keep it covered. The spray bottle you are using should also be covered. Every time you have to change it. Don't be stingy, don't be lazy. You can't play with someone's health. And it has to be covered in such a way that it gets sprayed properly from here and it also gets covered. If it is covered like this, then it will not become dirty and it will remain clean. If you are using this bottle, then you will cover this too. Whatever thing you are using, you will cover and use the thing that comes in your hands again and again. If it is thick, then this wrap will be used like this. Now you must be seeing that I have two types of wraps. One is this clean wrap and the other is this magic wrap. See how I have covered this pen machine. First of all, I have applied this blue color magic warp so that it looks soft, comfortable to hold, and later I have also applied clean wrap on top, so that the machine never gets dirty and hygiene will be maintained, and there should be no chance for infection. So in the same way, first we will apply magic wrap on the front part of the machine. A little sticky is from here, glue is applied. It is applied by pulling it like this and tightening it. Now it is your wish that how thick you want to make it. You can use scissors to cut it, but you can also tear it by applying a little force. This wrap is sticky, it sticks like this. Now after this, clean wrap has to be applied on it. Whatever machine you have, you will definitely cover it like this. If you cover the machine, then one of its advantages is that your machine is also always clean. So we will remove the extra cover from here. Now this machine is completely covered and you will put the cartridge needle here and you can put the cable from the other side. So in this way we should cover our machine. Another type of cover comes with cable wrap. Whatever machine you're using with the cable, whether it is a RCA cable or ADC cable or a cable with a clip cord, any cable should also be covered. The benefit of covering it will be that it will also remain clean. So I show you how to cover it. First we will insert the power supply pins inside the cover. In the last, with this masking tape, tape its first end in such a way that it will close its mouth so that this cover does not come out from here. The last end will also be closed by applying tape. So that's how we do the machines and the cables and everything. So hope friends, you must have come to know how important it is for the health of the clients. See you in the new lesson.